Basically, what is a panic attack? Panic attack is nothing but severe and extreme form of anxiety which is very much intense and disruptive. Now, how does a patient feel? अगर उसको panic attack आ रहा होता है तो how does it feel? Patient has pounding heart, sudden onset of palpitations, extreme sweating, profuse sweating, extreme dizziness, loss of sensations. Patient feels that he is having heart attack. He might die of heart attack. He is losing control. He is going crazy. Numbness is there. Weakness is there. These are the symptoms of panic attacks. Now it is seen that कि panic attack ज़्यादा generally females में होता है as compared to males. और panic attack generally occurs without any trigger. There is no triggering factor as such. It occurs without any trigger. Now, what is the main difference between panic attack and panic disorder? Repeated panic attacks, recurrent panic attacks within a period of 1 month leads to panic disorder. Now, panic disorder में क्या होता है? एक बार patient को panic attack आया, that leads to anticipatory anxiety. He will feel that मुझे दूसरा attack कब आएगा? What will happen if second attack will come? उस टाइम मैं कहाँ पे होऊंगा? मैं वहाँ से escape कर पाऊंगा या नहीं कर पाऊंगा? That anticipatory anxiety leads to another attack. And because of that, he starts developing avoiding tendency. For example, उसको first attack बस में आया या crowded places में आया. He will stop going by bus. He will stop going to crowded places. And that leads to phobia. And thus, frequency of panic attacks keep on increasing. Now, what are the factors? What are the precipitating factors that lead to panic disorder? There are various factors which we can analyze. Number one, most important, genes. Genetics plays an important role in psychiatric disorders as well. अगर फैमिली हिस्ट्री साइकेट्रिक डिसऑर्डर्स की है, फॉर एग्जांपल ओसीडी है पेरेंट्स को, डिप्रेसिव डिसऑर्डर है या एंग्जाइटी है या फोबिया है या पैनिक है, तो बच्चों में आने के चांसेस बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं. नंबर टू, सब्सटेंस यूज़. सम पीपल कंज्यूम अल्कोहल, दे टेक marijuana, they take steroids, then those are more predisposed for panic disorders. Number three, traumatic events like sexual assault, child sexual abuse. Those who experience that, they are more at risk of panic disorders. Then any serious illness like HIV, malignancies, loss of a loved one, loss of a life partner, इन सब से that leads to panic disorder. अब जब भी पैनिक डिसऑर्डर या पैनिक अटैक आता है तो फैमिली मेम्बर्स पैनिक हो जाते हैं. व्हाट टू डू? दे रश टू एमरजेंसी. दे फर्स्ट इन्वेस्टिगेशन विच इज़ डन इज ECG. लोग ECG करते हैं, नॉर्मल. इकोकार्डियोग्राफी करते हैं, दैट इज़ ऑल्सो नॉर्मल. Then they take cardio opinion, then they do n number of investigations, all seems to be normal. Then somebody referred them to a psychiatrist. Now coming to the most important part, that is management. I would like to emphasize on this thing that panic disorder is completely treatable disorder. Now what are the modalities of treatment? हम psychiatrist के पास जब patient आता है, what we do? Number one is pharmacotherapy. We provide some medicines which are emergency medicines or short-term medicines. जब भी panic attack आता है, we give them medicine to keep it under the tongue sublingually and attack is resolved. And nothing to worry about, that attack will be resolved after taking the medicine within few seconds. And next is long-term medicines. These medicines are SSRIs and SNRIs. They will have their action within 2 to 3 weeks and you have to continue for minimum 6 months and maximum up to 1 year. Next modality of treatment is psychotherapy. CBT, that is cognitive behavior therapy, is one form of psychotherapy जिसमें counselors या therapist patient को help करते हैं to cope with the stress or anxiety. जो anxiety के attacks आ रहे हैं उसमें कैसे cope करना है. And number two, how to deal with your experiences. आपको पहले panic attack आया, so they will tell you how to learn from your experiences that these attacks are not dangerous. आपके life threatening नहीं है. अगर attack आता भी है, nothing to worry about. These are not life threatening. आपकी जान नहीं जाएगी. Nothing will happen to you. Number three, most important is relaxation techniques. Relaxation techniques like yoga. Yoga and pranayam करने से definitely frequency of panic attacks reduce होती है. Another effective method of relaxation is JPMR, that is Jacobson Progressive Muscle Relaxation. अगर हम JPMR effectively करेंगे तो frequency of panic disorder will definitely reduce. Now I would like to conclude this by saying that if you or any of your family member is suffering from panic disorder, please take help from a psychiatrist. As soon as possible, it is completely treatable disorder. Now I would like to conclude by saying that there should be no stigma in seeking help because most of the people do not come out because of stigma in society. लोग मुझे क्या कहेंगे if I'll go to a psychiatrist. So if you are suffering from any of the symptoms of panic attacks or panic disorder, there should be no apprehension in taking treatment or going to a psychiatrist. Seek help if required as soon as possible.